In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new Gemini 2.5 Pro for free, specifically for creating a fantasy realism photo. This is perfect if you're just starting out and want to explore some creative possibilities with this tool. Let's get right into it. First, open up your web browser and head to Google. You can do this on any device with an internet connection. Once Google is up, type in the search bar, Google Gemini. This will help you find the official site where you'll be able to produce your creative masterpieces using this tool. Now, with the search results in front of you, go ahead and click on the link for the official Google Gemini website. That's the homepage of Google Gemini, and it's from here that we'll do most of our work. Take a moment to let the page load completely. Once it's up and running, you should see several options arranged neatly on your screen. Look out for the option that says, Create Images. This will generally have an icon next to it, making it easier to spot. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the dashboard where all the magic happens. This interface is pretty user-friendly, so don't worry if you're new to this. Next, it's time to make a prompt. Prompts are crucial because they guide the tool in generating the image you envision. For our task today, let's use a creative prompt like a surreal, hyper-realistic scene of a blindfolded man walking through a desolate landscape with a giant human head backpack, symbolizing confusion, emotional weight, and an uncertain path into the unknown. Feel free to tweak this language or swap elements out to experiment with your visuals. But remember, the more detailed your prompt is, the better the tool can understand what you're aiming for. Once you've crafted your prompt, all you have to do is click on the Submit button. Upon submission, Gemini 2.5 Pro will process your prompt and begin generating your fantasy realism photo. This might take a little bit of time, depending on the complexity of your request, so be patient while it works its magic. And there you have it. You've not only accessed Gemini 2.5 Pro for free, but also created a unique piece of art that captures the essence of fantasy realism. If you're pleased with what you see, you can save, share, or even print your creation. This tool is a fantastic way to fuel your creativity and bring your imaginative ideas to life. Enjoy experimenting with different prompts and scenes, and watch as your creative skills continue to grow. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Have a great time exploring the world of Gemini 2.5 Pro